Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important basics in the solar industry. What is a solar PV module? What are its types? And how to understand the nameplate details of a solar panel. If you are preparing for interviews or working in solar O&M, EPC or design, this video is a must watch video. Let's begin. What is a solar PV module? A solar PV module is a device that converts sunlight into DC electricity. It is made using multiple photovoltaic cells, usually silicon, connected in series and parallel to produce the required voltage and current. A solar PV module converts sunlight directly into electrical energy using semiconductor materials. These PV modules absorb sunlight, release electrons, and generate electricity. This process is called a photovoltaic effect. Types of solar PV modules. Solar panels comes in different technologies. Let's go through the major types used in the solar industry. Crystalline silicon modules, most common. Monocrystalline mono panels. Monocrystalline solar panels are made from a single pure silicon crystal, which makes them highly efficient. They perform better in low light and hot conditions and have a sleek black look. These panels are durable, long lasting, and ideal for maximum power output in limited space. Made from a single silicon crystal. High efficiency 17 to 22%. Next one is polycrystalline panel. Is made from multiple silicon crystals, making it less efficient than monocrystalline but cheaper to produce. It usually has a blue speckled appearance and is widely used for budget-friendly solar installation, and its efficiency around 15 to 18%. Blue is color cheaper but slightly less efficiency compared to monocrystalline. Next we are going to see the thin film solar panel. It's a type of solar panels made by coating a very thin layer of solar absorbing materials onto a surface like glasses, metals or plastics. These layers are only a few micrometers thick, so the panel becomes light in weight, flexible and cheaper to produce. Compared to traditional silicon panels, thin film panels work well in low light and high temperature conditions and are commonly used for large solar farms, building surfaces and portable power devices. It's cadmium telluride, amorphous silicon, copper, indium, gallium selenide. These are the materials we are using. Next we are going to see the advanced high efficiency models like PERC, half cut cell models, bifacial models, TOPCon, HJT models. First, what is PERC? PERC is a technology where an extra passivation layer is added on the solar cell. Thin protective coating added to the back surface of the solar cell to reduce energy loss. This layer reduces electron loss, reflects sunlight back into the cell, so the panel generates more power and higher efficiency than normal mono panel. This PERC high efficiency, better low light performance, more energy. Half cut models are solar panels in which each solar cell is cut into two equal halves instead of using full-sized cells. By cutting the cells, the electrical current in each cell becomes lower, which reduces heat loss and improves efficiency. These panels are also divided into two halves, top and bottom. So if one side is shaded, the other can still produce power. Because of this design, half-cut models generate more energy, have better performance in shade, and last longer than traditional full cell panels. A bifacial module is solar panel. It is a special type of solar panel that generates electricity from both sides. The front side captures direct sunlight and the back side captures reflected light from ground. Because of this dual side generation, bifacial panels can produce 5 to 20% more energy compared to normal monofacial panels. Tunnel oxide passivated contact is a high efficiency solar cell technology that uses a very thin tunnel oxide layer and passivated polysilicon layer to reduce energy loss inside the cell. This thin oxide layer allows electrons to tunnel through easily while blocking the recombination of electrons and holes, keeping more charge available for electricity generation. Heterojunction technology. Solar panel is an advanced type of solar panel made by combining two different materials, crystalline silicon and amorphous silicon thin layers in one cell. This hybrid structure reduces energy loss and improves electron flow, which increases panel efficiency. IGT panels have very high efficiency, good performance in low light, low heat loss, longer lifespan, better power out even in hot climates. In simple words, IGT solar panels use a smart mix of two silicon types to produce more electricity.